This is Thomas Aquinas' third way of proving the existence of God. Aquinas distinguishes between things that are necessary and things that are contingent. However, he doesn't define these exactly the same as they are normally thought of as we think of them today. For Aquinas, contingent means things that can exist or not exist. For example, trees, rocks, people, planets, etc. They're all transitory. Matter takes on form, and then it loses that form. Necessary, for Aquinas, means something permanent. This is a little bit different from the ordinary meaning of necessary, which refers to something the denial of which leads to a logical contradiction. For Aquinas, all he means here is something that is immortal, can't be created or destroyed. It might still depend on something else for its existence, however. In fact, matter itself could be a necessary being on Aquinas' view. Now, the third way presupposes an infinite universe. During this infinite period, contingent things can go out of existence and come into existence. But since it's at least possible that every contingent thing could not exist simultaneously, then given an infinite amount of time, this possibility will eventually be realized. And so right now there would be nothing given an infinite past. But clearly there is something. And so there must be a necessary being responsible for keeping it all in existence. Keep in mind that the word being here refers to anything that exists, intelligent or not. So in this case, matter could be the necessary being that Aquinas is talking about. And there actually could be many necessary beings. But consider the basic unit of matter, a quark. Let's look at an up quark. If we list its properties, it has a certain charge, a certain mass, a certain spin. But existence is not one of its properties. And here, the third way dovetails right along with the second way. The up quark must get its existence from something else, and then that something must get its existence from something else, and so on, deeper and deeper into reality, all here and now. So we're talking again about the same essentially ordered series from the second way, where every member must be in place for the full effect to work, thus coming at last to something whose essence is existence. And this is a necessary being, which does not depend on anything else for its existence. It can't go out of existence. It can't come into existence. It's immortal. It's forever. So do we finally have God at this point? Not quite yet. We'll take, with the first way, we have something that was non-physical and pure act. With the second way, we got something that is essence is its existence, and now with the third way we add on something that is a necessary being, and then of course from the next two ways we'll get more. And that is it for the third way.